eco-friendly is in California, the desert tortoise was suffering from non-eco-friendly power sources. Since they switched to solar, more of these were preserved. Yeah, onto the design. We're going to be explaining the photoelectric effects real quick. So, turn on the switch. That's power.
So, as you guys can see, that this lamp actually mimics our sun.
Yeah.
And so it's throwing out photons, which the solar panels will absorb and then pass the current, which the current will separate to go to the wind turbine, the light, the noisemaker, and the water.
The way the photoelectric effect works is the electrons in the atoms absorb the photons, and since it's so powered, it flies away from its atom, and then it's captured to become a current, an electrical current. The way the switch works is it stops this from being an a closed system until we switch the lever, which will power light. An example of this would be solar power can power lights in buildings. It can power like a microphone or a loudspeaker, and it can transfer water from one area to another, which is important in Arizona since it's a desert. And at nighttime, when the sun isn't shining, it can actually generate power. So ours isn't right now, but if there's enough wind, energy can be produced from this. It's still power.
See the combo, kind of like a solar wind combo.
Yeah. As you can see, it's not working, but you get the idea. We ran into a problem with this, and only solar's working right now.
Solar power, there's
In a wind tower,
copper wires, and there's a magnet inside, which the wind will turn the magnet, which is going to create electricity, which is how we became aware as humans how to create energy. So now everything that we use will technically have the coils. That will have the coil in there. And each time we use it, it will roll down, which is creating and this one is smaller and we have a little motor. So it's not going to create the actual voltage to power those up. But that's the only reason that
Alright, Santa Cruz, your wind groups, where's Santa Cruz?
yeah, there might be a little bit all together. But it's better like that all together because this is a smaller scale. Because if we would have it all along, nothing would work. Because the voltage would have to travel for a long distance and it wouldn't be able to reach.
Alright. I forgot about this. So for the difference between series and parallel connections is in series, you have to add up the voltage of it.
Alright, Santa Cruz,
In
where
parallel
is
connections, you have to add up the and the way the series works, we were originally going to make it circular, but that made the travel distance too long. And so now we're alternating the path.
Yeah.
The electricity goes in splits direction. How much power is given to each depends on resistance. The more resistance, of course, and the less electricity will go through it.
So is this kind of is it series or parallel or?
This is serious.